Hello friends, welcome back to our channel RK Data Labs. Hope all are doing good. Today we are going to continue our existing artificial intelligence series AI-360 degree the future. In my previous videos, I have covered couple of good stuffs like how to access door using face recognition system, using teachable machine, and also how to create chatbots using Amazon Lex application in multiple videos and couple of good stuffs. Today we are going to cover one new topic, that is how are we going to use artificial intelligence open source free tools in current market. As we all know, there are as day progress in our day-to-day life, there are quite a lot of AI applications are being generated in our day-to-day life, but among that there are 100 plus tools which are really and ready-made available in the IT industry. They are really useful in the projects, or even if you want to increase your productivity, we are just still using it. Today we are going to pick the best 6 to 7 AI tools that we are going to work in our projects, which will be effectively used in our day-to-day life going forward. So the first tool is ChatGPT. As everyone know, ChatGPT is an open platform which is derived from OpenAI. It is conversational generative artificial intelligence, we call them out. So here the latest version with currently 3.5. So still we have GPT-4 with the latest edition, but it supports DAL-E, but it just uses with premium licensed edition. So anything that you want to still use with ChatGPT, you still want to hold a valid email account. So now currently I have logged in with my Gmail account. So as like that, you can still log in via your Gmail account and you can just simply type it out whatever you need. So if you go here, there are there is a message prompt. We call them as nowadays as prompt engineering, and new derivative term. So if you want to something know about, there are couple of topics which are going in the market. So let's say, tell me about something about sun. Okay, so what I should do, I just simply prompt it out to the ChatGPT. So it just intelligently converts everything into a topic and gives me a couple of responses, good responses, which is indeed a real-time one. Okay, so if you go at the top, it will give you as many number of responses that it is, and also it just gives me the topic as well relating to the message that I have prompted out. Even if you want to something export this chat to some other, even if you want to populate it to a Gmail account, or if you want to copy it to a Notepad or any other text editor, you can still do. You can just simply copy the link and it will be copied accordingly. So likewise, this open AI tool is effectively used in our day-to-day tasks to automate anything, like let's say you want to present any presentation, or in fact you want to do some kind of research while going for a meeting. So what you want to do, so you need to know something about the current topic. You can just prompt ChatGPT to get all the effective responses and just go ahead. So this is one amazing tool that you will it will gives you, and it will productively use all your time, and it will gives you the best responses that I have seen so far. Second topic, so we have something called Bart. It is given by Google. It is again an open AI conversational platform where it has been experimenting nowadays. It is just been given nowadays only. So even this is one level higher. If you want to, it supports multiple native languages, guys. So even if you want to put it in your any language other than English, you can still do. So you just simply click this out and you can just simply get it all the such information. So as ChatGPT, you can just prompt it with any text that you want about to get responses, you can still get it out. So now one level higher, I just want to simply know about this image. I'm just uploading an image here, and I'm going to prompt with some text over here. So I'm going to get some response over here with the door open. So it just simply gives me couple of good responses about door open. Let's say what it is trying to give you, it just gives you all such, it just thinks about what it is there in the image. At the background there is a grass, at the background there is a sky, and then there is an open with white color and everything, that it gets all such information. So this is one beautiful AI generated tool where it will give you in fraction of seconds with all the necessary information. Okay, so this is one important tool that you want to really check it out in your day-to-day life. to automate all your tasks. So, and then there is a third tool where I'm going to give you like something called Scribble Diffusion. So this is the Scribble Diffusion. It is again a refined image using AI powered platform. So whenever you want to scribble something in this text box, you can just get the respective image generated by AI accordingly. So let's say what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clear it out. I'm just going to draw one mountain. See what it just simply generates it. I'm just going to create a piece of sun. Alright, so I've just given it, the sun behind the mountains, the sun setting behind the mountains. It has already given the respective topic to it. So I'm just simply clicking on go, and the respective results will be populated over here very much. Just see the magic, it is just getting generated. Alright, so if you see this image, you can very well understand like what is the scribbled information that you have been scribbled in the left side of the Explorer, and it just simply converts into a beautiful image that just gets generated using the artificial intelligence. All right, so this one beautiful tool, whatever which comes to your mind, you can just simply scribble it, and in turn AI will give you the power of that respective image which is pre-scribbled here. All right, this is one fantastic tool where even kids are also being able to use this in the world of artificial intelligence. Let's say my fourth AI tool where I'm going to use is neural frames. That is something called, it is an animation generator AI tool. So simply if you click here, it will try to ask you, for free edition, you can just simply log in with your Google account. So now I'm going to signing up with my existing Google account. Alright, so now this tool is effectively, it creates videos from our text or from our images which are going to upload. So just see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to start my new project. So I'm going to simply upload my image. Let's say I'm just simply uploading my image here. Alright, so if we see here, it will be given like a couple of good suggestions, like what is the prompt. It has simply converted like a man in a red shirt giving a thumbs up, a stock photo inspired by Simon Gunn. So now it is just we are going to simply pimp our prompt. So since I have used more than 3 times, it is not allowing me to do, but still you can render from cursor, so that it will generate you couple of frames here. So let's see the magic over here in this. Let's see, if you see here, the frames are getting exclusively generated using the here. So it just simply converts couple of frames. There are like totally 71 frames are being generated here, and you are about to see all the frames which is can get generated and with this prompt. So using this out of frame, text, error, and all those steps, it is just getting generated accordingly. So this one beautiful neural frames video editor simply converts all your text to a video or image to a video using the technology of artificial intelligence. You can still at the end, you can just simply export it as a video and save it to your local machine, or even you can share it to your beloved ones. So how are we going to do? Simple, you can just simply save it, and then you can just save it accordingly. So I'm going to use like Rajesh. It just simply saved it my video accordingly. So this one beautiful tool which will give you a lot of exploring options with easy UI. And then our fifth tool is going to be a very useful in terms of writing presentations. There is something called gamma.app. So again, it will prompt you to sign up first. I'm going to sign up with my Google existing account, and then you want to select the respective presentations, like you want to start it from the scratch. I'm just going to here, so I'm going to populate or generate, or even if you have corresponding topics, you can still import it from a file. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to present the topic here. Let's say I'm going to type, so let's say I have one presentation which is about to schedule today with containing India versus Australia World Cup Final 2023. I want to deeply explain about how the match is going to be progress or how it had happened. So now I'm going to select the presentation or document or web page. I'm just going to select the presentation and just simply I'm going to continue. So how many number of cards that you choose, it will give you like couple of cards, and simply I can able to generate the text accordingly. So when it comes to presentation or when it comes to a meeting, you want to have like respective information from your browser, just simply gives you all the necessary text. So just mind-blowingly you can see like all these things. I've just given a hint like India versus Australia final World Cup 2023. It has given you couple of good amount of information extracted from the artificial intelligence. Alright, so if you want to still going to present it, you can just simply click the present option and it will just simply completes all your presentation and gives you accordingly. Simple guys. So if you want to start your presentation, you can just simply go ahead and then you can go here, page number 2, 3, 4, and the game strategy, spectacle, and these even in fact the topics, the images, everything, right? It has just collectively extracted using the power of artificial intelligence. So don't worry about, whenever a meeting is going to happen, you don't want to prepare anything using your search engine. Simply go to the school gamma.app and then collectively extract all the information and then go ahead with extracting all your meeting purpose. And then finally we are going to see one YouTube related summary editor, that is something called Withit Rapid. Alright, so there is something called Withit Rapid, that is nothing but Video Rapid. So it is one of the video summary tool for YouTube applications where I'm going to, in fact I don't have time to select or see all my YouTube videos or any YouTube channel videos, but I want to simply understand like what is the summary of the YouTube video. I can simply just go to this Withit Rapid and then collects all my information. Let's say one of our artificial intelligence video which I have posted it out, I'm just going to use this link and then simply I'm just going to submit it. It just simply gives me like all the necessary information to it. At the left side of the Explorer you have the link to the accessing this YouTube video, and at the right you get all the necessary summary. So you don't want to go to the complete video, you just simply go to the summary of the video. You will understand like what is the everything. Even it gives you like all the subtopics as well, and if you just simply click it and you can just simply goes to the respective video time frame where you can just extract all the related videos. So excellent tool to summarize all your YouTube videos in your respective channel. It gives you like in terms of productivity wise very good tool. And then there is one more thing called, you can generate couple of random generator, let's say. Alright, so this is one beautiful tool where you can generate couple of images using some kind of text here. Let's say so it is one of the character generator system where you want to simply type it out and you want to generate it. Simply click on generate and it will give you like the best photos that is collectively generated using the power of artificial intelligence. So now we have selected with 3 different photos we are about to get. Simply if you can just see here, you will get all the related animated images here. Even if you don't want to see, let's say you don't want to have the 3D Disney coordinator, you can just simply generate it. So that excludes the 3D Disney character and then it will give you like a couple of good suggestions to you. Alright, so it has given you a beautiful pictures with it is absolutely generated with the power of artificial intelligence. So I have given a text, what is Indian man with a bicycle. It has just generated with couple of good options with the bicycle information. That's absolutely great powered AI tools guys. And then finally I have told you, as promised at the beginning of the video, I will be giving you one important open source link where you can find couple of good AI tools related. So there are like, if you see, there are 1500 plus AI tools are ready-madely available. Let's say like you have all the subtopics. Let's say if you want to go for productivity related tools, you can simply click on it. You can just elaborate yourself with all such AI related tools. So this is one beautiful platform where you can see couple of good AI tools which is daily it keeps increasing based on the contribution made by the AI engineers. So you can selectively select all the respective AI tools here, and you can still use it for your productive purpose. So hope this video is absolutely useful for your day-to-day daily automation purpose in terms of artificial intelligence. So keep watching this video, and also if you like this video, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned. Bye.